In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download artifacts on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, accessing artifacts from your GitHub workflows is essential for examining the outputs and results of your projects. Let's walk through this process together so you can efficiently retrieve these valuable files. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your repository on GitHub. This is the hub of your project where all the code and essential details live. Make sure you're signed in and that you have the right permissions to view and interact with the repository. Once you're in the correct repository, look towards the top of the page, and there you'll find the Actions tab. Click on this tab to proceed. Now, within the Actions tab, you'll see a series of workflow runs. These are essentially logs of all the automated processes that have been running on your projects. Each workflow run corresponds to an operation or a series of operations you've programmed to execute automatically. Scroll down through the list of workflow runs and click on the one from which you want to download artifacts. Selecting the right workflow is crucial, as this will take you to a detailed view of that specific execution. Once you click on a workflow run, you'll be taken to a page that provides a detailed breakdown of the run, including statuses and logs. Your attention here should be on the bottom part of the page, where you'll find the Artifacts section. Artifacts are the end products or outputs that these workflows generate, and they are organized at the bottom of this detailed view for easy access. Depending on the complexity and the kind of workflow you're running, there might be multiple artifacts listed here. In the Artifacts section, you'll see a list of files. These are your generated artifacts from the workflow run. Look for the name of the artifact you wish to download. Simply clicking on the artifact's name will begin the download process. Most often, these artifacts are bundled into a zip file. This makes it convenient for you to download them all at once and extract them on your local machine. If your device doesn't natively support zip files, consider using a program like WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the contents. Now you have the artifacts from your workflow run right on your computer, ready to be analyzed or utilized as needed. Remember that these artifacts can vary greatly, depending on what your workflow was designed to perform and compile. Having access to these files allows you to review outputs, debug errors, or simply store the results for documentation purposes. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you now feel confident in downloading artifacts from GitHub. Mastering this process can significantly enhance your workflow management and project efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to keep exploring GitHub's wonderful features to streamline your development endeavors.